Got a 2015 Chevy Cruze, came into the shop for no start, no crank. Scanned it, no codes. Went to the data stream. This is our exhaust camshaft actuator. I'm sorry, exhaust camshaft, yeah, active counter. So right now the car is not running, but the exhaust cam is reading like the engine's running. So when you go to start the car, it's not going to start up. No start. No start. Nothing. Even though it's still reading like it is. So let's go see what happens if we unplug it. Now we got a running car. Sensor is short-circuited, giving the computer a signal that the car is running, and it is not. So the exhaust camshaft position sensor needs to be replaced. Will cause a no start condition.